Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a dataset in Kaggle Notebook. To begin, open Kaggle and navigate to the Learn Python page. This gets you into the Kaggle environment and is a convenient starting point if you are already exploring tutorials or learning resources. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you are signed in so you can create and edit notebooks without interruption. Next, look to the top left corner of the page and click Create. This is where Kaggle lets you start new workspaces and projects. After selecting Create, choose Notebook from the menu. This opens a fresh Kaggle Notebook, which is the workspace where you can write code, run analysis, and connect data for your project. With the notebook open, find and click Upload. This option is used to bring in data so your notebook can work with files that are not already attached. In many cases, this is the fastest way to start using your own dataset inside Kaggle. After that, click New Dataset. This tells Kaggle that you want to create a dataset attachment for the notebook rather than simply browsing existing public data. It is especially useful when you are working with local files from your computer and want them available inside the notebook session. At this point, you can drag and drop your dataset files into the upload area. This is often the easiest method because it is quick and visual. Just move the files from your computer into the upload box and wait for Kaggle to process them. Depending on the file size, this may take a few moments, so give it time to finish before moving on. If you prefer not to drag and drop, you can instead click the link to add the dataset. This gives you another way to select the files manually from your device. It is a helpful option if drag and drop is not working in your browser, or if you simply prefer using a file picker window. Once the files are added, your dataset will be connected to the notebook and ready to use in your analysis. From there, you can load the files in code and begin exploring or training models. As a general tip, it helps to double-check that the correct files were uploaded and that the dataset appears in the notebook's data section before you start coding. That's it. You have successfully added a dataset in a Kaggle notebook.